How do you like my costume today? I am super teacher. All right, today was superhero day at school, so I thought I would share that. I know that's why I'm dressed so funny. All right, let's talk about tips and tricks to help us solve or help us to find mixed numbers and improper fractions. Remember, a mixed number has a whole number and a fraction. They're mixed together. And an improper fraction has a numerator equal to or greater than the denominator. And in this one here, it's greater than the denominator. So we're going to talk about these two again. All right, so it says, which of the following models is shaded to show 1 and 3/5? Well, if you notice, like this one's shaded, this one just has 1, and over here it's 3. Well, couldn't I just combine these? So I'm going to take this 1 and put it over here, right? So this one, even if I did move this one over here, this would only represent 1, 2, 3, 4 shaded out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in all, and no holes. Okay, take a look at B. Here, this one's nearly completely shaded. So couldn't I just move one of these shaded ones over here? So now I have this whole thing shaded and 2 left over here out of 5 shaded. Here, this represents 1 hole. And how much over here shaded? 1 out of these 5. And here I have, this represents 1 hole. So the whole thing is shaded. And 1, 2, 3. 3 shaded out of the 5. So 1 and 3/5, not A. 1 and 2/5, that's not B. 1 and 1/5, nope. And 1 and 3/5, yes. Take a look at number 2. It says the model below is shaded to represent a fraction greater than 1. Which fraction is represented by the shaded part of the model? So we're looking at the shaded parts. Well, let's talk about what we do know. Let's go ahead and do it in an improper fraction, a mixed number. So this represents 1, 2 holes, Big Daddy 2, and 1, 2. 2, what are these? Well, how many parts of the whole? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's one way to say it. That's the mixed number. Or we can say these are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are all fifths, right? Because there's 5 parts of the whole. So that'd be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 what? 12 total fifths. So is it 12 thirds? Those aren't thirds because there's 5 sections of the whole. Is it 12 fifteenths? Well, that's not 15ths. There's definitely not 15 parts of the whole. Is it 12 fifths? Well, here's 12 fifths because 12 sections are shaded and each figure is divided into 5 equal sections. Absolutely. Is it 5 twelfths? It's not 5 twelfths. There's not 12 parts of the whole. So our answer is H. All right. Which number sentence shows the correct comparison? Oh, so look, that's the Optimus Prime. If you watched your vocabulary yesterday, you know what I'm talking about. We're transforming our improper fraction to our mixed number, or we can do a mixed number to improper fraction. I personally like to do a mixed number to an improper fraction. So I've taught y'all to do your Texas. You write your T and your X for Texas, and it's all about the diva. So I have 5 times 4 is 20, plus 1 is 21. 21 what? Fifths. Is that what it says? Nope. Here I have my Texas. Start with the diva. 6 times 4 is 24. Plus 2 more is 26. 26 what? Fourths. That's not what that says. Here I have my Texas, my T, and my X. Start with the diva. 7 times 5 is 35. Plus 3 is 38. 38 what? Fifths. Oh, check. Maybe. Here's my Texas, starting with the diva. 6 times 3 is 18, plus 2 more is 20. 20 what? 20 thirds. Almost, but not. So our answer is C. All right, guys, you got this.